Hi everyone, this is a video about this Oral-B hummingbird, flosser and dental pick that I bought this several years ago for the price of under £10. That it came with 3 of the flosser and I think 6 or 7 of the dental picks. And but recently the prices of these shoot up to £100 and even over £100, and it has a cover here, and the way to use this is just put this in here and then it vibrates. I just show you how it sounds like, and that's it. It just vibrates, and the vibration is not even that much, but you can feel it at the tip a little bit. And then when you want to floss, you just, there is an interlocking system here and there that these two have to connect to each other. Of course these are used, but I cleaned them, I washed them thoroughly, and I just wanted to show you how the prices can ridiculously shoot up for no reason at all. Because when you think about this, this is just a battery compartment and a switch and a motor here, and this body that is not even waterproof. Anyhow, they say is waterproof or water resistant, but it's not. Anyhow, and it has a battery in there. If you turn this bottom anti-clockwise, it just opens, and this is the battery, AAA battery, and then a switch here, and then a motor here for vibrating the tip. And then when you want to put it back together, you just slide these two together and turn the base clockwise to close this. Anyhow, the reason that I'm making this video is because of the prices that ridiculously gone high to absurd prices like £99. I show you the listing on eBay, and all of these spares, the prices they are ludicrously high. For instance, for 25 of these you have to pay £25, and even more for this is the same. Anyhow, it was, for the price that it came out, it was good. For under £10, it's just a gimmick. But with the new prices, that is reaches £100 and sometimes even more, you can buy loads of other stuff like water picks, like water jets, flosser or air flosser, and so many other stuff that you can buy for under £100 to do the same job that this one does. Even better job that this one can do. But I show you the listing on the eBay and you see what I mean. And if we just go here, and this is the price, £99.99 plus £3.99 postage and packaging. And it's just, I don't know, it's just crazy, the prices that they are shooting up so much for something so little with no special feature, just a vibrator in there. That's all. Anyhow, this video is to advise you to avoid this for this new price, because you can get other stuff that does the better job than this one. But for the original price, yes, it's worth using it as a gimmick, but not more than that. I hope you like this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.